is Jax's new RC car. It looks small. It looks slow. Oh no, this goes 17 miles per hour. Shoot. That is fast. I challenge you to a race. Your RC car versus your electric dirt bike.
Challenge is on. Let's go outside and
Do this! Woo! Alright, we're all geared up. We're ready to go. Just gotta flip the switch. High and on. 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Jax on round 1. Yeah, Jax.
Yeah, I thought I ran it over.
Good one. Okay, let's go line up for round 2.
2, 1.
Oh, Jax with the win for round 2. Oh yeah.
Round 3. 3, 2, 1. I ran it over. No, you didn't. Yeah, I did. I ran it over.
It still works.
Round 4. Round 4.
Oh! Round 4 goes to the RC car.
Guys, that's not even as fast as it goes. It's on low speed right there.
Oh, you better put it up to high speed for round 5.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, Jax got that one. Round 5 goes to Jax. Woohoo! You're up 4-1 right now.
This is
4-1.
round 6. Jax has 4 wins. The RC car has 1. Comment down below who you think will win round 6.
Okay, here we go. Line up. Line up. I'll go to the finish line. Here we go. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh! RC took the W.
That time, I felt more confident. It was on high speed.
Oh yeah. Oh, the RC did.
The challenge is over. Jax's dirt bike had 4 wins.
Woo! Yeah, baby.
The RC car had 2.
I took the dub.
Thanks so much for watching.
Guys.
Peace out, bro.